Hi guys, my name is Dakota. I am here to talk to you today about payday loans online with bad credit. If you find yourself in need of a payday loan right now, chances are you're probably in a bit of a tough spot. Unexpected events such as job loss, car repairs, or medical emergencies are just some of the reasons that people end up searching payday loans online. Getting access to funds is actually pretty difficult if you have bad credit, but bad credit is so much more common than you think it is. In fact, 1 out of 3 Americans has a poor credit score. Payday loans are a solid option for borrowers who have poor credit because the lenders typically take other things into consideration other than just your credit. Many lenders use the FICO scoring system to determine how likely it is that you'll repay back your loan. The score typically falls between 300 and 850, and the bad credit range is typically somewhere between 300 and 620, with 300 being the worst. Consumers with a credit score of less than 620 may find it difficult to borrow from lenders who heavily rely on the FICO score to determine credit worthiness. Getting a payday loan online can help get you out of the jam in the short term, but you'll still need to address the root causes of your bad credit. To repair your credit, start by getting a copy of your credit report. While it may sound appealing to hire an agency to help make some of your credit mistakes disappear, the reality is the role of a credit repair service is actually to help point out inaccuracies in your credit report. Make sure to do diligent research about the agency before you hire them. They are known to have a lot of scams. For some people, the only thing that's going to fix their bad credit is just paying outstanding balances. So if you haven't already set up a budget to track your income and your expenses, make that a priority. For more tips on how to repair your bad credit, develop healthier financial habits, or learn more about obtaining a payday loan online with bad credit, click the link in the description box below. Talk to you guys next time.